My name is Mariam Asif. I am a student of BS Clinical Psychology. Today I am going to discuss about learning disability. Learning disabilities are disorders that affect the ability to understand or use spoken or written language, do mathematical calculations, coordinate movement, or direct attention. Although learning disabilities occur in very young children, the disorders are usually not recognized until the child reaches school age. लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी में बच्चे को मुश्किलात होती हैं इन डूइंग एवरीडे एक्टिविटीज़. द डिसेबिलिटीज इन्वॉल्व लैंग्वेज, रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग एंड लिसनिंग. There are many types of learning disabilities, but in this video I am going to discuss about dyslexia. Dyslexia is a learning disorder that involves difficult reading due to problem identifying speech, sounds, and learning how they relate to letters and words. It is also known as learning disability. Dyslexia is the most common cause of reading issues, and estimated 5 to 10% of the population has this diagnosis. Dyslexia एक learning disability है जिसमें डिफ़िकल्टी होती है इंसान को लर्निंग टू रीड और इंटरप्रेट वर्ड्स. इसमें मोटर डिफ़िकल्टीज भी आ सकती हैं, शू टाई करने में प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, साइकिलिंग में प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. इसमें इंसान को स्पेसिफिक एरिया में प्रॉब्लम होता है. जैसे किसी को मैथमेटिकल में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, मैथमेटिक्स डिसेबिलिटी हो सकती है, डिफ़िकल्टी विद साइंस ऑफ मैथ्स. Symptoms of dyslexia. Signs of dyslexia can be difficult to recognize before your child enters school, but some early clues may indicate a problem. Once your child reaches school age, your child's teacher may be the first to notice a problem. Before school, signs that a child may be at risk of dyslexia include late talking, problems remembering or name letters, numbers and colors, difficulty learning nursery rhymes or playing rhyming games, may be slow to add new vocabulary words, may be unable to recall the right words, may have trouble interacting with peers, may be unable to follow multi-step directions or routine. Fine motor skill may develop more slowly than in other children. School age. Problems processing and understanding what he or she hears. Difficulty finding the right word or forming answers to questions. Problems remembering the sequence of things. Inability to sound out the pronunciation of an unfamiliar word. Difficulty spelling. Spending an unusually long time completing tasks that involve reading or writing. Avoiding activities that involve reading. Teen and adults. Difficulty reading, including reading aloud, trouble understanding jokes or expressions, difficulty memorizing, difficulty doing math problems, difficulty summarizing a story, trouble learning a foreign language. What causes dyslexia? The exact cause of dyslexia are not completely clear, but anatomical and brain imagery studies shows differences in the way the brain of dyslexic person develops and functions. Moreover, most people with dyslexia have been found to have problem with identifying the separate speech sounds within a word and or learning how letters represent those sounds. A key factor in the reading difficulties. Dyslexia is not due to either lack of intelligence or desire to learn. With appropriate teaching methods, dyslexics can learn. Genetic link. If someone have dyslexia in their genes, like you may more likely to have dyslexia if your parents and siblings have dyslexia. Premature birth or low birth weight. Differences in brain. The part of brain involved in reading don't function the same people with dyslexia as they do in others. Treatment. Dyslexia is a lifelong condition. With proper help, many people with dyslexia can learn to read and write well. Early identification and treatment is the key to helping dyslexia achieve in school and in life. Most people with dyslexia need help from a teacher, tutor, or therapist, specially trained in using a multisensory structured language approach. Many individuals with dyslexia need one-on-one help so that they can move forward at their own pace. जिस एरिया में प्रॉब्लम है बच्चे को उस पे वर्क किया जाए. बच्चे को अटेंशन देने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. बच्चे के रूटीन में जो वर्ड यूज़ करता है उन पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया जाए. वर्क ऑन साइट वोकेबलरी, वर्क ऑन फ्लुएंसी ऑफ द चाइल्ड. टीम, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, पेरेंट एंड स्कूल टीचर, ये तीनों मिलके इस बच्चे को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं और स्पेसिफिक एक्सरसाइजेज इम्प्रूव कर सकती हैं मोटर डिफ़िकल्टीज़. ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट को दिखाया जाए अगर बच्चे को मोटर डिफ़िकल्टीज़ आ रही हैं तो. Modification and accommodation in classroom. Giving a student more time on a test. Listening to tapes to help them sound out letter and words. Using a computer software where they can type rather than write. A one-on-one tutor to help with reading and writing skills. There is no cure for dyslexia, but many approaches and tools can help and facilitate them to do their everyday activities. Thank you so much.